Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to discuss matrix of preliminaries for JIRS for JHS Year 5. As you can see, the matrix of preliminary is the final presentation for first quarter for grade 10. It consists of the following: the topic or working title, background of the study, initial method, statement of the problem, research objectives, conceptual framework, and significance of the study. In order for you to do it, you need to make a matrix or what we call a table. This is a sample matrix. The title would be here. The method would be on the first column. Background of the study on the second column. Third would be statement of the problem. Fourth column is the research objectives. Conceptual framework is the fifth one, and the last would be significance of the study. Let's discuss each element of what are you going to put in your matrix. The first one is the method. You choose either quantitative method or qualitative method for the research topic that you are doing. For the background of the study or BOG, this is your first activity in JIRS for JHS. You're finding now what are the problems and then the reason why you started doing the research. Answer can be found in the following data, such as the university research agenda, sustainable development goals, and inspiration. You may go back to your module in our Microsoft Teams modules. In our research, the statement of the problem is the idea is that you want to collect a data. So data to be collected. It is the interrogative presentation of what are the data that you want to collect, and then this should be aligned with the method. That's why there is a reason why you need to have a consultation with the advisor. So you would have now the initial review of what are you doing for your research. In the research objective, the alignment with the statement of the problem is important because this is the declarative format of your statement of the problem. The conceptual framework. The conceptual framework is the model of your statement of the problem and research objective. The technique that we're using is the keywords from SOP or research objective. That's why there should be an alignment on the three elements, which is the skeleton of your research project. Now, this is additional for you. You would now formulate the significance of your study. It should answer the question, who will benefit the research? An example could be students, teacher, businessmen, researchers, and other group of people, or an institution, like for example, the barangay, where you want to create now the study, the principal's office, the IT office, and other offices or other institution that you want to give benefits of the data that you collected and made some conclusion or made some research as in general. I hope you could have at least three significance so that it would be more on who will benefit this research project that you are doing. At this opportune time, we have now the matrix of preliminaries guidelines. Let's start. In the presentation, these are some of the guidelines. First one is that it should be a 5-minute video that discusses all the elements of the matrix. Then you will start by introducing your topic or working title, and then present the table, discuss each part, which is each column, starting with the method, background of the study, statement of the problem, research objective, conceptual framework, and last would be significant. And then it would end at the last part would be the presentation with the matrix or the table that you created. Let's discuss on how we'll be graded for this final presentation for the first quarter. There are 3 criteria such as content, value, and technical. For the content, the presentation should demonstrate a clear and cohesive articulation of the study's key components. The topic or working title must reflect the relevance of the focus, setting of the foundation of the presentation. The methodology should be logically chosen and well explained, reflecting the alignment with the research goals. Background of the study must contextualize the research, showing awareness of related literature and gaps. A well-formulated statement of the problem should guide the inquiry, supported by the specific and measurable objectives. The conceptual framework must highlight the theoretical grounding and showing connections between variables and concept. Lastly, the significance of the study should communicate its value and potential impact and contribution to the field. That is worth 50 points. Another criteria is value. Let me read this one. The presentation should exhibit thoughtful organization, ensuring ideas progress logically with clear transition that guide the audience through the research narrative. Aesthetic aspects such as visual design, layout, and use of media must enhance, not distract from the message, and reflecting a polished and professional style. Balance is demonstrated when content, visuals, and delivery harmonize, giving equal attention to each component without overwhelming or neglecting any part. The overall value reflects the effectiveness, engagement, and cohesiveness of the presentation as a communicative act. And that is worth 30 points. In the technical part, the technical quality of the presentation reflects the speaker's command of language and structure precision. Grammar must be correct and appropriate to academic standards, ensuring clarity and professionalism. Mechanics, including punctuation, spelling, and sentence structure, should support seamless delivery and reinforce meaning. The organization of the presentation must exhibit coherence, with ideas structured logically from introduction to conclusion, demonstrating deliberately planning and effective transition. Overall, technical excellence reinforces the presentation's credibility and enhance audience comprehension. That is worth 20 points. In general, to be graded, content is 50 points, value is 30, technical is 20, and a total of 100. Again, this is now Matrix of Preliminaries for JIROS for JHS Year 5. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and hoping you can create now your Matrix of Preliminaries.